But in my experience, ultimately most young people also do find that the cancer experience teaches them things. Maybe they weren't all lessons that they wanted to have, but usually down the track, cancer teaches you things about yourself and who you are as a person, your strengths, about what you want in life, what's important to you in life, about what's important to you in friends, about what's important to you about family. And so often, young people are then able to bring that stuff to bear on their future plans. And so a lot of young people will find that the stuff, different stuff is important to them now after they finish cancer treatment. So that can be, maybe a positive flip side, I guess, if you like, to going through, the grueling cancer experience. There can be these things, new things that we learn. But I think certainly, while cancer changes you, you are at your heart still fundamentally the same person, and so there are bits of your personality and bits about your aspirations and your ambitions and desires that are still going to be a little bit the same as well, and maybe just a little bit changed after the cancer experience. So I think people can still fit it into their future lives, but I think sometimes that takes time. So I think it can be important not to put too much pressure on ourselves to have the future figured out straight away.